Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can change voice setting in Google Assistant. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google application on your phone. Then we have to click on this profile button on the top right corner of our screen. Then there will be several options for us, and we just need to click on the settings button right here. Then we can scroll our screen until we find Google Assistant. So just tap on it. Then just click on Assistant Voice and Sounds right here. Then you can select the voice that you like. You can scroll your screen like this to find the voice that you want to use. And I'm just going to pick this one. And we can go back to the previous menu. Alright guys, and that's how we can change voice setting in Google Assistant. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.